Order depot.
Order.
Pulley.
You catch it at a line?
Outside a line.
Which a line?
Humbuckler.
And if you gotta get wild out tonight. Wild. V6 panitool. No done set.
Extension clip me I tell you about run.
I miss her come dash.
Banging, you know it says to the double A to the Y, B to the A to the D. Swear about that on me, you know what I mean? I want to say to the right now, we have a special show for the viewers and the subscribers. And today we are counting on the top 5 prospects in a dancehall people. And when we say the prospects, we are talking the top 5 youngest and the baddest, you know what I mean? Who has been the most consistent in the last, say, 15 months or so? You know what I mean, give or take. And these artists have the potential to be the next Bounty Killer, the next Beanie Man, the next Idonia. What I talk about even the next Vibes Cartel.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You see me? It might sound far-fetched, but every big artist was once a young artist. You know what I mean? We are counting down the top 5 youngest and the baddest like I said before, you see me I say. And within the next 5 years, them can become legends in them own right, is it? And what are the qualities the artists them have to have? Is it me viewers and subscribers? Them have to have that something about him, is it me that superstar quality there? Is it me that charisma there? You know? So you can have big songs, you know, but you don't know how to perform them, you see me? So you have to have performance as well. You see me? You have to have the influence also. Yeah, because at the end of the day, you know, as them say, enough people are can DJ, but not everybody are gonna make it, and everybody will become a superstar, and everybody can have that something about them. You see me I say? So I want to know right now, I want to subscribe if you haven't, I want to like the video, I want to give it a share. Is it? Now that we got that all out of the way, hey, Grand Godzilla, cue the intro.
Boom! You know it's Warlord representing What You Know! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's What You Know, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! What?
And coming in at the number 5 spot, we have the young sensation, Malli Donn.
Yes, Miss Jen, I'm still a thief, still here committing criminal activities.
With a new wave of trap dancehall with his laid-back flow and unique style, you can't deny that Malli Donn is not one of the young, up-and-becoming rising star in a dancehall, with songs like Crook and Bank, Throat Goat, and also songs like Miss Grippy, and features from artists like Rajahwild, the First Nation boss, Joshi, and dancehall therapist, Chronicler. But there's no denying that his biggest hit song and breakout single is V6.
V6 panitool and it can't stop. I do it back past that.
Not shying away from clashes with dancehall rivals such as Pablo, YG, and Kraff, so you can't deny that Malli Donn is one of the artists that remain consistent over the last year. And he has the potential to become a dancehall superstar. So yeah, people, at number 5, we have Malli Donn. And coming in the number 4 spot, we have the man himself, I'm not talking about Alkaline. We are talking about
A youngster and a legend.
Pablo YG, people, with hot singles such as Bad Juvie, Father, Self-Love, and featured with some of the biggest names in dancehall like Skilly Bang, Valiant, and Baker. There's no doubt that Pablo YG in the near future will be a force to be reckoned with. And he has proven that with his breakout song, Richer and Richer.
A gym road badness me I tell you about. Extension clip me I tell you about run.
Representing his hometown to the fullest, Ocho Race, and with the guidance from the Wildside government, Javelani, and the guidance from the third eye boss, Deep Jai. Bad Juvie, still only 19, has shown much maturity in the dancehall space within his short span of time. From clashing with Malli Donn at Sting. And also following up with the consistency, Richer and Richer, with with the song Radar and Feelings. And being so young, only 19, Pablo IG has a lot more room for improvement. So he's definitely one to keep an eye on.
Let me tell you something. You see what you did do? Can't robot. You see what you did do? You see if you did do that and you can't, nobody did do that.
Gonna fire radar. So tell mommy say I'm gonna feel
Sinful. Alright, but one night time, them a lie.
And at the number 3 spot, we have the sinner for real, Rajahwild.
We gotta get wild out tonight. Wild. Party in my house tonight.
Breaking onto the scene with a slew of hot songs such as Another Dollar, Powder, Eat You, Sinner for Real, and Sculpt on the Line. Rajahwild is definitely one of the leaders of the new school dancehall. With his big breakout hit, Wild Out, have a lot of girl wilding out, you know what I mean? Including my girl, your girl, our girl. Is it? The girl them just want wild out, I guess. Rajahwild is definitely proving the haters them wrong with big songs after big songs. With the hottest songs right now on Russian's Dirty Money Rhythm, titled Go Go.
Something you don't know, me like bad bitch, me like go go.
Some might chastise the artist with his lyrics or in his videos of practicing Obia witchcraft, or some might know it as black magic. So at the end of the day, you can say what you want to say, but Rajah Obia work, cause him look like him here for stay.
Sinful.
And coming in at number few spot, I'm not talk about 2 spot, but the true spot. We have dancehall artist Kraff.
Mama pinned up your pussy on the left hand side.
With a super body of work and a plethora of hot songs. And I mean, too much songs for call, but we're gonna call some same way. We have De Niro, Sleepwalk, Sinner, OG, Bobby Johnson, Hardy, Calm C, Lucid, and many more bangers. And trust me, people, I could go on and on, but the one that made him an old soul name was Rum Behavior.
Papa, pizza, pillar, liquor, killer, tell him.
And trust me, people, for you dip on TikTok, you couldn't escape that song here. You see me, I say, with the routine from Dancing Rebel, everybody and anybody was trying to catch this routine, which made the song such a smash and such a big breakout hit in 2023. And people, I know a bad artist, you see me I say, and so when an artist can follow up a big song with a next big song, on the Russian Dirty Money Rhythm, him have a song right now I burn up the place, I'm sure, unsure, says a big song. And the song is called Nursery. With his unique style and his energetic performances, Kraff is most definitely living up to his name in the dancehall fraternity.
Skirt. Go suck your mother. No. Suck your real mama. Suck on a real mama.
In the rain, shut your man now. I'm going to say me fuck up in it.
And right now, coming in the number 1 spot, viewers and subscribers, I know what this one I wait for. But first, let me give some honorable mention, you know what I mean? 5 honorable mention, meaning, yeah, the next 5 artists one can look out for. And at number 5, we have Content.
Brady say for line up a silly car Christmas time, so decline.
At number 4, we have Enhance.
I am earthy. So much stress, me diva reach 30.
At number 3, we have AI Millie.
Gone for the night. Moringa, I gone for the light.
At number 2, we have the Chaka Boss himself, J-Quan.
Chaka, yeah.
And at number 1, we have the man from Senegal. Is it?
Big rapper.
Big rapper like Bob. Nigeria. That's some man viewers and subs. You see me, I said that was the 5 artists. If you look out for this year, you see it. And now back to the countdown. Right now in the #1 spot, the most consistent artist within the last couple of months, people. The man will have the place of Father Rock, the man will have the people, the man mad out. Father did for himself. The man will say catch it at people. None other than, and don't get me in a bounty killer mode. You see it? It's Valiant.
I'm shaking her count and make the skull upset. No, done set.
And this are one of the only artists on the countdown. When I bust with a song, but actually bust with a viral video. Catch it at a lie. We hit song after hit song, big song after big song, and big performances. You know what I mean? Valiant is one of the most, or if not the most talented artists on the countdown. With songs such as St. Mary, North Carolina, Cut All Molasses, Glock 40, Speed Off, Science, Rasta, Dunce Check, Motorcade, Barbies, Narcissistics, Expensive, Mad Out, Beer and Salt, People. The list goes on and on. Bad song after bad song, like I said before, hit song after hit song. Whole heap of bad collaboration with whole heap of bad artists. You know what I mean? Like Stark Ashley, Chronicler, Tommy Lee and Russian, Skilly Ben, Kraff. And I don't know, Mr. What you did do can't robot Pablo YG. Valiant has shown he's not one to shy away from a confrontation with his recent battle with the up-top boss TJ.
Yes, sir! You ready now? Somebody please. Let's go to Valiant.
The 2 dancehall artists went all out in a lyrical war, people. And I mean, them went face to face. No, that's wrong. You see me? Them went head to head. No, that worse a bun off. You see me? Here we go on. Both of them went at it, people. You see me, I say. And Valiant sure hold him own. You see me, I say, people. Representing dancehall well and representing clash culture to the finest. You see me, I say, people. And in my eyes, my opinion, you see me, it was 1-1. You see? To me, anyway. You see me, I say, because round 1, me have it for say, a Valiant win. And round 2, I can say, a TJ win. All in all, it was good for dancehall and clash culture, like I said before. You see me, I say, so there you have it, people. You see it? That was the 5 best prospects of dancehall for the new generation, is it? What only think, is it? When I feel like I got the list wrong, when I feel like I left off anybody where I should have include, comment down below and let me know. Yeah, man, like always, just a like, comment, share. Hit the notification bell for further updates and videos. And you see anybody will watch until the end of the video, really, really appreciate it. Right, this is said way. Like a candle, I'm out.
Girl, them on bicycle. I from a little girl, I fight for my tricycle. And me a choke you, I fuck you harder. And as a big woman, I where you are gonna tell your mother. The only man she pray to the Father from a maga. Me and my gun wish blood clot beat up. And you will know when the pro box reach you 5.62, you married at a leak out. Me and the girl them bubblegum. Me and the girl them bubblegum. And she a wine for me and a bubble up. Oh yo, big in time the music don't turn it down. The party too nice, we I go burn it down. Me say my finger just turn one money gun. Girl, me play with the pussy till the pussy come.
Watch you now, no. Rock boys, come on. Watch you now, no. Watch you now. Watch you now, no. Watch you now, no.
Watch it now, yeah. Watch it now, no. See it now. Watch it now, yeah. Watch it now, no. Watch it now.